Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove all tags on Facebook at once. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook application. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on see your profile, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of gear icon. Click on that option, and here you can see you can read that remove tags, hide or delete multiple posts all at once. You simply need to click on filters, and here you need to click on tag post. You can search post by tags. Click on tag post and click on here. You can see that only show post you have tagged in. Then you need to click on done. So now you can see post you are only tagged in. Then you need to select post like this, and then you need to click on next on the top right. And here you can see the two options: hide from timeline. Either you can hide or you can remove tags, delete link between your profile and selected posts. So now I'm going to click on remove tags, and then you need to click on remove tags again. So this is the process by which you can remove all tags on Facebook at once. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.